right? So yeah, here already we have created a, what do you call, workspace. Okay, now we have to go host pools. Okay, create a new host pool.
New host pool, yeah.
Okay, so RG is aged AVD RG. Okay, host pool name. Okay, aged AVD. Okay, HP means host pool. Okay, so East US, no, it is in a Central US. We have created all components into Central US. Validation environment, no S, no, we don't require, no, okay. Preferred app type, applications or remote apps, okay. You want to publish our app or remote app, okay. Remote app means if you select, so that you have to publish applications, okay. Now we are keeping as a desktop so that we can provide a Windows 2016 desktop, okay. Host pool type, so that whether ran pooled or personal, right? So we are creating a pooled desktop, server-wise pooled desktop, okay? Or if you want to create a remote app, so that we can create pooled, so that multiple users can able to access WinSCP application, okay? So create a session host configuration, manage a life cycle, so on so, okay? So yes, no, we don't require any preview, okay? Here is what is the breadth first and the depth first, right? What about breadth first and depth first?
No.
No. So which means depth first means so that it will fill all the one. So if you create two missions, right? Two
Yeah.
VMs, each mission. So we configured 15 users. One mission 01, it occupies 15 users. Then only it will power on second mission. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Okay. Breadth first means so two missions will be powered on. So load will be okay.
Balance.
Algorithm model. Okay,
Yeah.
one session to one host. Okay, another user session to another host. So like that.
Yeah.
Okay, round robin algorithm. Okay, so how many users can connect per host? Okay, 15. Right, 10 or 15 we can mention over here based on
What's the
CPU,
maximum?
based on CPU and memory. Okay, 8 CPU,
Okay.
32 GB RAM. Right,
Mm.
minimum 2 to 4 GB for we have to reserve for OS, remaining
Mm.
28 GB, so that okay, each user how much CPU and memory allocates, so that we can configure max session limit. Okay,
Oh,
minimum 15. Okay, click next. Session host, add a virtual machines. Okay, yes. Okay, here add a virtual machines. Yes. Okay, AVD what is the naming schema? If you are adding missions, right, what is the naming schema? Agent, okay, AVD, okay, W. Just I'm giving W, 2K16 or something, so that it will add 0102 kind of thing. So or otherwise, agent AVD W, okay, win, agent AVD win, okay,
yeah.
okay, virtual machine, okay, type of virtual machine type, virtual machine, central US, availability options, okay, no infrastructure redundancy, okay, trusted virtual machines we require, enable secure boot, enable VTPM, integrated monitoring, and image, right? So already we
Yeah.
have captured image. If you select here, so that you cannot see that image, okay, so all marketplace images that you are able to see all images, click here. So you're getting all images from marketplace. Now go to shared image. So what we have captured, so you are able to see our image. Okay, compute gallery agent AVDCG, it is there. Click here and okay, so we have selected our customized image, right?
Yeah.
2 vCPU, 8 GB RAM, right? Number of missions, only one, right? As of now, I'm creating only one mission. Okay,
Yeah.
virtual network, click here. Okay, AVD VNet, okay, AVD subnet, okay, public inbound points, okay, inbound ports, no. So public inbound ports to allow, yes means so that we can select one or more ports, okay. If you want to select RDP, okay, 443, okay, so that I'm selecting only two ports, okay.
Yeah.
So Active Directory. So already we have Active Directory, Microsoft Azure Enter ID or Active Directory. Active Directory here. Okay. So we have to add this machine into AD. So AVD SVC at the rate AVD labs dot local. Okay, local. Okay, password, confirm password. Okay, specify domain or unit. Click here. What is the domain? AVD lab, right? AVD labs. Okay, what is the OU? Already it is there. Equal to AVD users. Okay, DC equal to AVD labs. DC equal to local. Okay, so now we need a local account. When you create a virtual machine, so we need a local account. AVD admin 1. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the 12 characters enter value. Minimum 12 characters, right? So okay. Done, right? So custom configuration scripts. If you have any custom configuration script, we can keep it here. Now we don't have anything, right? Click next. Workspace. Okay. Register desktop app group. Okay. Yes. Okay. Here is the workspace. We have created a AZ AVD WP. Click okay. Click next. We don't have any management assign manager entity enabling diagnostics. We're not doing. Click next. Okay. Click next. Okay. This is the overview validating, right? Validation succeeded. Okay. Passed. So what is the subscription? Okay. Resource group, host pool
Yeah.
name, okay, so location, remote app,
Yeah.
pooled, right? Creation host, create a session host configuration no, and max session host 15, load balancing bet first. Okay. Public network enabled. Okay. So aged everything. So we have mentioned image. Okay. Number of VMs 1. Okay. OS disk size is 0, which means as is from. Okay. Disk type is SSD. Okay. Back. Okay. That we don't require SSD. Right. Back. Okay. So HDD only. Okay. Otherwise,
Mhm.
no, we have to pay more money. Okay.
Yeah.
Click next. Click next. Click next. Okay. So that standard HDD. Okay. D2AS V5. Okay. So everything we selected. Okay. Space name AVD London. Okay. Create create a hostful.
Yeah. So the host pool, that's why we have all our VMs, isn't it? All our machines.
Sorry, for a
The
hostful.
host, yes.
Repeat again.
So the host pool is where we have all the device or all the machines, all the VMs. That's where we'll keep all the VMs, isn't it?
Yes, we require all these VMs. Okay.
Okay.
But in production environment, we do not manage Active Directory, all Azure services. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Each one. So we work on only this part, Chris. Okay, Azure Virtual Desktop. Everything is ready. We do get all this information. So once everything is ready, we will validate. Okay, VNets are there, subnets are there, storage account is there or not. So they provide all this information to one notepad or
What
email. So that
What is the use of the host pool?
what is the use of forceful? We will publish applications. We will publish
Application. Okay.
desktops.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Do you know
Mhm.
Citrix?
Yeah. A little bit.
Sorry.
A little bit. Yeah. I know a bit of Citrix.
Okay. So okay, what are the host pools? What is a virtual desktop? Azure virtual desktop. So
Mm.
we are providing applications and desktop. Okay, desktops to
Yeah.
users virtually.
Yeah.
So after pandemic, right? Due to pandemic, so all users are working from home. So
Yeah.
they need a virtual desktop instead of VDI. VDI means virtual desktop infrastructure. Virtual desktop infrastructure.
Mm.
PDA means physical desktop infrastructure, so that we can
Yeah.
provide one laptop, or if you go
Yeah.
out, you have a desktop, right? That is
Yeah.
physical. You cannot carry. Physical VM means so that if you go anywhere, you can log in and you can connect your office network, you can work, right?
Yeah.
Deployment failed. Okay. Bad request. VM creation link template. Invalid template deployment. The deployment template. VM creation link template. See, queue not available.
Oh.
Okay, queue not
Okay.
available. So it is created a host pool. Host
Yeah.
pool is created, but we don't have any missions.
Yeah.
Mission, okay, no missions,
Mm.
0 missions. Click
Mm.
here. So again, we'll add a mission, lesser, okay,
Yeah.
less CPU. Okay, click next. Okay, to A to D series, all DV6. Okay, 2 CPU, 4 GB RAM. Okay,
Okay.
so D2S V6, D2S. A2. Pre-eligible 1 CPU, 1 GB RAM. Doesn't support. Okay. So B2S, I'm selecting B2S. Whether we can select, we can take this or not. Okay.
Mm.
Shared images. Okay. HDD. Okay. Disk size, default size. A default specified for the image will be used. Okay. So virtual
Mm.
network, VNet, subnet already selected. So Active Directory, again, we have to fill all these things. Okay. AVD, admin. Okay. AVD, labs dot local. Okay. Okay. Specify unit, AVD, labs. Okay. Copy this, paste it here. Okay. AVD, admin 1. So free trial, right? So we don't have more SKUs to create a missions. or
Yeah.
otherwise we have to go for go as you go.
Okay.
Required parameters are missing. Please complete all requirements.
Hmm.
That was to virtual mission. Mission. Okay. Number of redundants we don't require. Okay. Trusted VM. Okay. So number of VMs one now, right? Okay. Now okay. Click next. Okay. Click next. 2 VCP 4 GB RAM. Okay. Click create. I think now it is deploying.
Hmm. Oh, still deploy.
Once deployment hostful is created, we will continue tomorrow how to access applications and stuff. So, okay, almost
On the desktop. Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
almost 2.5 hours, right? So, yeah.
Yeah. I wanted to show you something. I have a subscription, but within I'm trying to create a resource group and to do the same testing. Um, but it's not giving me anything. Am I okay to share like a screenshot with you? Harry, can you hear me? Hello?
1 minute.
Yes.
Say that again.
I have a subscription. I was just trying to start creating the resource group and creating the VM on my
Mhm.
subscription, but I think it's not giving me that. It's not giving me the option. I wanted to see if I can share my screen with you for you to have a look.
Yeah, 1 minute. Once it is completed, right,
Yeah.
we
Okay.
can share
Thank
your
you.
screen.
Thank you.
Still, it is deploying.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Now, if you go here, okay, virtual missions, create virtual missions, okay, refresh it here. So it is created a mission. AZAVD win-0.
Yeah.
B2S. The size is B2S. Still mission is being created. VM agent is ready. 2016 006. Do you have pay-as-you-go subscription?
Yes, that's what. Yes,
Mhm.
that's what I've done. But it looks like not sure if um need to make payment or not. But it's not allowing me to create resource group. I don't see any option.
Mission has been created, and still it is deploying, right? So status is unhealthy, right? So yeah, health state.